Hello, happy homemakers. I am Bailey from My Life as a Homemaker, and today I'm going to be doing a collab, and it is hosted by Heidi Sombel. This collab is the DIY challenge, and she hosts one every single month. So I will have her channel linked down below, and I will also have the playlist linked in the description box down below. So don't forget to check it out, and here we go.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody to love. I need somebody. I need somebody. Give me somebody, somebody to love.
Why you wanna let me go, nah, nah, now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know, nah, nah, now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? Possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. Na na na, we ain't got the time.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. These little birdhouses turned out so cute, and I love the colors that I picked. They're very springy, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I did get these birdhouses at the Dollar Tree. I got them probably at the beginning of March. I haven't been to the Dollar Tree in a very long time because I've been stuck at home, but I did get them in either the end of February or beginning of March. I don't really remember, but I bet you they have something similar still because it's still very springy, but I really love them and they're very cute, and I hope that you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to check out Heidi's channel in the description box down below, and the playlist in the description box down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.